you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Confetti collections. This is my normal monthly or bi-monthly box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this is my new bi-monthly box. So I guess this would be for December/January, I'm hoping. Maybe it'll say inside, I'm not sure. But this is a bi-monthly box. This is the one that I told you guys I bought an entire year. So I'm still getting this amazing paper goods box. So let's go ahead and dive in now. I did get the holiday version where the first 75 people that sign up for the 1-year subscription get that entire box for free, which was an amazing box. And it came in this same box. And I even said in that video that this is a completely different box than what we normally get. And I wonder if that's how they're going to start sending them, because the other one was just really big. And I got it in this box. So they must be changing it up to this box. But again, there's still no seal, just like the other one. You can just open it right up. So I like that they changed their box, because this one is definitely smaller to fit their products in. So it's less waste, I guess you would say. So let's go ahead and get in here. Let's take out my package. They do have all of this stuff that I tell you guys I keep all the time, and I repurpose it for gift bags or gift baskets or giveaway products for you guys, that kind of thing. So I definitely keep that. And then here is all of the products that is nicely wrapped inside of here. Let's get this opened. And then here is the bag of all of the goodies for this bi-monthly box. So it says, surprise! Which box did you get? Something juicy or witch upon a star? No, there's no witches. Witch upon a star or wish upon a star. In your box, you will find a little bit of everything. We've included something for your desk, something for your feet, something for your thoughts, and more. Need a last-minute gift? Use the gift bag plus the shred and share something with your friends. So I'm gonna say that I must have got something juicy, because I don't see witches. I don't see wish upon a star, but I do see like watermelon stuff. So I'm gonna say I must have got the juicy box. So let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Let's see what's in here. All right, so the first thing, this must be for my feet. It says 1 in a melon, and this looks like this might be a pair of socks. And so this would definitely, this is from C.R. Gibson. I didn't know C.R. Gibson had socks. So here are a pair of socks, and these look like they have little watermelon seeds, and then they have the little fringe on the top. Those are super cute. So you have a pair of socks. It does have the desiccant inside to keep them fresh. And yeah, this is from C.R. Gibson. I think those are really cute. So we have a watermelon sock set that comes in this really cool little box. So that is really neat. So there's item number 1. Then we, sounds like nerds. So then here's this little, looks like a little pencil pouch. This is C.R. Gibson. And it says pouch with tassel. And, oh, inside it's just the desiccant. That I was thinking it was nerds. I'm a nerd. So this is a small little pouch. So you can put pencils in here. You can put feminine products in here. You can put anything you want inside this little pouch and drop it in your purse or do whatever you want with it. So that's really cool. You have a little pouch. So the layout. Then we have from C.R. Gibson as well. This is to bring you laughter, and it's a humor. It's a humor. What is this? It's not a pin because there's no backing to it. It just says to bring you humor, and it's like this little, I don't know what in the world is this. I don't know, because it's not a pin because there's nothing on the back of it. So it just says humor. I don't know what you're supposed to do with it. There's really nothing on the back. It's just stuck to the card. So it's a humor card. I love to laugh. So a humor pin. I don't know. It's not a pin, but it's like a coin. I'm not quite sure. But there's that guy right there. Then we have, this is Paper Goods by a collection by C.R. Gibson. 10 pom-pom push pins. Oh, push pins is something that you don't really see anymore, and I think that's really cute. Let's see. So they look like they're designed to kind of look like it would be like an ice cream cone, but the cone is not in it. They're little push pins. Let me get this opened. Oh, there's more in the back, so there definitely would be, I guess, 10. So so they're just like this. They're just little balls, little poof balls, and they have, all of them have the little metal spikes on the back. So they're little pom-pom push pins. So there's that. Then we have, is this a cord keeper. This is from C.R. Gibson. Looks like maybe everything this time is from C.R. Gibson. I love products from C.R. Gibson, so I think they make really amazing products. So this is a cord keeper. Oh, and it looks like there would be 2 different ones. So like as if these were, let's say those are your headphones. You can put all the cords together and then just snap this bad boy closed, or that way. And you can put all your cords and keep them all nice and handy. That's really cool. I don't have anything like that. So that's really neat. So we have, you can use them for anything, but they're meant for cord keeping upper, so you don't tangle up your cords. So now we have Go Bananas. Go Bananas, and it's a charm pin. It's all yellow and it has a banana that's hanging down. Is there a, let's see, what's on the other side of this thing here? Because I'm sure it looks better than that, what I'm seeing on the other side. Let's take a look on the other side. Yes, it has an actual banana on the other side. So there's like a set of bananas, not just one. So there's some banana loving up in there. Then we have this right here, and this is from Paper Goods. So not everything's from C.R. Gibson this time. This is from X&O Paper Goods, and this looks like it is just a little journal. Write your stuff down. You do have these that you can actually mark, and there's 3 different colors that you can mark, 3 different pages at a time. So that's really neat. So this is just a journal book. Then we have, this says celebrate. Oh, so this must be the gift bag. Yes. So they always do put in like some type of a paper thing. And I love getting these because they send different sizes, different kinds. So whenever I need a gift, I go to my drawer first and see what my good old paper goods are that I've got from this amazing box. And I can grab something out of there and put my item in there and I'm good to go. So this is this one. There's 2 little pom-poms and then there's just a rainbow on the back and it says celebrate on the bottom. And we celebrate anything, so you can use that pretty much for anything. And then the last item in here has lemons on the front. This is from C.R. Gibson, and that bag that I just showed you was from C.R. Gibson too. And this says memo papers, 200 sheets. So here's 200 sheets of memo paper, and there is an actual lemon on the paper itself. And the lemon is on all of them. So that is really neat. And that's cool that you can sit this like on your desk or your nightstand or your dresser or whichever. And then whenever you need to note, you flip it open or write it down or rip it out and you're all set. So there's that. So quickly we went going over this entire box again. We have this notepad. We have a cute little gift bag. We have this little pin that I'm not quite sure what this is intended for, but it's a humor little card. We have this little journal. We have the cute push pins. We have a Go Bananas writing pin. We have 2 cord keepers. We have a pencil or any type pouch. And then we have these little cute socks. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? Do you get this box? Would you like to get this box? If you would like to know some information about this company and what the pricing is, I will go ahead and let you know that now. So again, this is a bi-monthly box. So they do their boxes 6 times a year. You can do a one-time box for $19.99, which is a $50 value. So you get 60% off by doing it that way. Or you can do the entire year, 6 boxes like I did, and it's $105. They do have a shipping and handling fee, which is a flat rate of $5 for each box, which again, they send it in this big box with all of that reusable filler in there. So I don't know. I know it definitely costs more than $5. I just actually shipped something tonight on my way home for a giveaway for one of my giveaway winners. And it wasn't a very big box, but it cost me it was like 30 something dollars, and he gave me a discount up to like 29 or something like that. So I don't know how companies do with the shipping, especially with this kind of size box, but I don't know. Maybe they get discounts because they ship so many. I'm not quite sure, but I know shipping is expensive and it always goes up, of course, because it's never going to go down. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Comment down below. Let me know, did you like this box? I think these are really cute. I like this theme. I'm kind of curious to see what the wish upon a star box would be. So if any of you guys do get this and you got the wish upon a star box, let me know what you got. If you do have a video, let me know so I can definitely watch it and see what you guys got. So yeah, that is everything that I have for you guys today. Go ahead again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.